Every day, the guardians of Schriever Space Force Base stand at the front line of both our modern way of life and the evolving landscape of warfare. Space operators command and control over 170 satellites and 19 ground systems, ensuring the systems we depend on, GPS, satellite communications, space defense, are there when we need them. Schriever is the epicenter of space protection and defense, but without critical combat support, these functions could go dark. The men and women of Space Base Delta 41 are the backbone of the invisible front line, providing unwavering support for combat readiness, critical services, and base operations. From security forces to health and fitness, civil engineering to childcare, financial services to logistics. They are the force that allows our guardians to stay focused on the mission at hand. Comprised of over 97% U.S. Air Force personnel, Space Base Delta 41 is the support engine for 18 organizations, including 6 U.S. Space Force Deltas and multiple mission partners, enabling operations at locations around the world. Victory in space begins on the ground, with the solid support of the mission behind the mission. Welcome to Space Base Delta 41.